What's going on, y'all boys, man? Walk down members. It's your boy 6.4 Elite, and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see, I do have my head mount on. Today's video, it probably won't be too much talking. You guys are about to get a POV of how it looks for me to drive my 2012 Dodge Charger SRT8. And with all that being said, let's get right into the video. No, we gotta turn this thing on sport mode. We don't need no Hemi tick. We don't need no Hemi tick, bruh. And we gonna drop the windows? Know that.
Tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you. We don't.
I know people finna be looking at me crazy with this head mount on though, bro. And I don't wanna hear y'all say, oh, you didn't even let your car warm up. Shut up. Shut up, bro. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Y'all want me to drive it with the shift paddles? Y'all want me to drive it with the paddles? I think I'm gonna drive it with the paddles. When I get to my stop sign at the top of the road, I'm gonna switch it over. Little manual action. Let me chill out. Let me chill out. The police just be sitting up here, bro. I told you. Hey, I told you the police just be sitting up here, bro. It's crazy. That's crazy. They just be sitting, bro. I be wanting to go so crazy with the shift paddles, bro, but this area does not allow me, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. And I still need to work on them, too. I need to get better with them, bro. Downshift. Police be sitting up here too. Today's Sunday, so I don't know. No, the police be sitting over here too. Speedo. Oh, they ain't over here today. Oh, that vet clean. Police? They be high vet for no reason. Do I want to back in? Do I want to back in? Think I do. Think I do. Speedo, 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 speedo. What? Yeah, I still ain't got used to this backup camera, bro. But I catch y'all boys whenever I get back, man. All right, y'all boys, that is the end of the video. That was my first time really trying out the shift paddles. I got to keep practicing with them. But overall, I think I did all right. It can be improvement. That's the end of the video. If y'all like videos like this, give me a comment or just turn up in the likes. Y'all stay tuned. There's more coming to the car. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch y'all members on the next one.
Hey, bye.